From Trash to Treasure. At Victory High School in Lagos, Nigeria, excitement filled the air. The principal announced a new competition, a business idea contest for students. The winner would receive 500,000 naira to fund their idea. Damilola, Tunde, and Zainab, best friends with big dreams, were thrilled. Each of them wanted to join the contest, but they decided to work as a team. Damilola was a quick thinker and loved solving problems. Tunde was the artist, always drawing or designing something new. Zainab, the most organized, kept the group on track. Together they believed they could win. But the contest would not be easy. Many other students wanted the prize, and the judges expected creative, realistic ideas. The friends had only 2 weeks to prepare. The trio met at Damilola's house to brainstorm ideas. "What if we make fashionable school bags?" Tunde suggested, sketching a design. "Good idea, but we need something different," Zainab said, writing notes in her diary. "What about a tutoring service for kids?" Damilola added. They debated for hours until Tunde exclaimed, "Recycled notebooks. We can use waste paper and make eco-friendly books." Everyone agreed. The idea was creative, affordable, and good for the environment. They quickly divided tasks. Damilola would research, Tunde would create a prototype, and Zainab would prepare their presentation. But deep down, each wondered if their idea was good enough to win. Their excitement soon turned to stress. Damilola struggled to find affordable materials for the notebooks. Tunde's first prototypes didn't look good, and Zainab worried about how to present everything clearly. At school, they overheard other groups talking about their ideas. Some teams sounded confident, and others had flashy plans. The pressure to win made the friends nervous, but they reminded each other, "We are a team, let's stay focused." The first round of the contest arrived. Each team had to present their idea to a panel of teachers. The trio practiced their presentation repeatedly. When their turn came, Zainab spoke confidently about the importance of recycling. Tunde showed the judges their notebook prototype, and Damilola explained how the idea could make money. The judges asked hard questions, but the team answered calmly. After school, the results were announced. Their team had advanced to the final round. They were thrilled but knew the final competition would be much tougher. In the final round, they faced their biggest rival, Ibrahim's team. Ibrahim's group had a polished app idea for delivery services. Everyone thought they would win. "How can we beat them?" Tunde asked, feeling defeated. "We have something they don't," Damilola said. "We are solving a real problem in our community." Encouraged, they decided to improve their presentation by adding real-life examples of how their notebooks could help students and reduce waste. As the deadline approached, tensions grew. Zainab wanted to practice more, but Tunde was frustrated with making new designs. Damilola tried to keep the peace, but the arguments only increased. One night, Tunde said he didn't want to continue. "I'm tired of this," he shouted. The others were shocked, but Zainab apologized for being too controlling, and Damilola encouraged Tunde to share his feelings. They resolved to support each other and focus on the contest. A week before the final presentation, they visited a local recycling center to get materials for their notebooks. The manager, impressed by their dedication, offered advice and supplies for free. This act of kindness inspired the trio. They worked harder, knowing their idea wasn't just for the contest, but could really make a difference in their community. The big day arrived. The school auditorium buzzed with excitement as the finalists presented their ideas. Ibrahim's team showcased their delivery app with high-tech features impressing the judges. When it was their turn, Zainab confidently spoke about the importance of recycling in Lagos. Tunde displayed the colorful notebooks, and Damilola explained how they could help students and reduce waste. They ended their presentation with a promise to donate some notebooks to schools in need. After hours of deliberation, the judges announced the winner. The team that demonstrated creativity, community impact, and practicality is Team Recycle. The friends couldn't believe it, they had won. Their hard work, teamwork, and focus on real world problems had paid off. With the prize money, they started a small business making recycled notebooks. They didn't just make money, they also raised awareness about recycling in their community. Through the journey, they learned that true wealth wasn't about money. It was about friendship, helping others, and using their talents for good. As they stood together, holding their first batch of notebooks, they knew they had found something far greater than riches, purpose, and fulfillment.